Okay, so it's calm before the storm. Today we have Gujarat Titans taking on Delhi Capitals. So we are in the streets of Delhi and we're trying to find out what the fans have to say today. You know, we're in Delhi, but you still get Gujarat fans. And today we'll see who's supporting Gujarat and who's supporting Delhi. And one other thing, I will get my guests to say whatever they're saying in Hindi, and I will learn a little bit of Hindi from today. So catch me live as we interact with the fans. So clearly, we have a Delhi Capitals fan, the first female that I found for the day. So clearly, you support Delhi Capitals today.
Yeah.
Do you see yourself playing for Delhi Capitals in the near future?
I actually do not because I used to play cricket. I was right arm fast bowler, but due to some injuries, I had to leave it. So I play cricket, but at local levels. So I will not play for Delhi in near future. That's for sure.
But who do you look up to in Delhi? Or any other team?
Okay, so right now I look up to Virat Kohli because his aggression in the field, the way he presents himself in the field, that is very good. I love how he reacts to things. It might be a bit sometimes, but that the passion he has for cricket, it's phenomenal. It's the best.
And what word do you have to say for your team today?
Roar macha, we will win.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I have a dear fan here supporting Gujarat Titans in Delhi Capitals. So let's find out. Why are you supporting Gujarat when you're in Delhi?
Because I'm from Gujarat.
Oh, you're from
So,
Gujarat?
yeah.
And who are you supporting today? In
Gujarat.
terms of
Gil.
personnel?
Gil,
Shubman Gill?
yeah.
And in terms of Delhi, do you have any of your favorites?
Not really.
Not in Delhi.
Yeah.
So what do you say as a statement for Gujarat?
Must win game because the last game was lost by Gujarat with a good margin. So I hope today they will win the match.
And do you see you guys qualifying for the playoffs and maybe playing the final?
Hope so.
You pray so. So in Hindi, what do you say to Gujarat? Like, is there a statement, go Gujarat in Hindi?
Yeah, go Gujarat. जीत के आना ये match.
Okay, so I'm with two beautiful ladies here supporting Delhi.
Yeah, Delhi.
Why Delhi? Why particularly Delhi?
Delhi is our hometown, so it's just not our hometown. Actually, we have our emotions connected with this place, and it's a vibe. We can't even think of leaving Delhi. So it's just very emotional for us, and that's why we are supporting Delhi. And we are impressed with the players. How Jake Fraser is playing, Rishabh Pant after a recovery, he's doing he's playing such beautiful cricket after recovery. So we are really happy about it.
So now, who do you pick? These are two people who play for India. We have Shubman Gill and Rishabh Pant. Who do you pick between the two? Who do you pick?
I am going to choose Shubman Gill, obviously.
But
I am
you
a fan
support
of
Delhi
I
Capitals.
support Delhi as well, but Shubman Gill has my heart.
Okay, so Shubman has your heart. Who are you supporting today? She said she's supporting Delhi.
I think 50-50, Gujarat or Delhi, I will be happy.
Whoever wins today, you'll be
Yes.
happy. So, what statement do you guys say in Hindi when you support Delhi Capitals? Like a one-phrase statement.
The line that they have, Delhi Re to Roar Macha. So we are here. We're not lose. We are here to support our team, and that's the thing we'll say today. Delhi Re Roar Macha.
Thank you very much. And your statement? Please represent the Gujarats. They're not here, but please represent them. What-
Gujarat, Avade Gujarat, Avade.
Thank you very much, girls. All the best.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
Today you're wearing an India jersey to a Delhi Capitals match. Which
Yeah.
one of the two are you supporting?
Of course, I'm Indian. I'm supporting India and Delhi Capitals.
And who do you see making the top India team going to the World Cup?
As a wicketkeeper, what you're asking?
Yeah, as a wicketkeeper. Which wicketkeeper are you picking?
Yeah, I hope Rishabh Pant does well in the IPL and gets selected in the World Cup team.
If you're to pick Sanju Samson or Rishabh Pant,
Tricky one, but I hope that both get selected. We can have an extra keeper always.
So going into today's match, you said you're supporting Delhi.
Yeah.
Are you see them going through to the playoffs and the final, maybe?
Yeah, why not? Of course, they can. They have 7 games, I guess, left, and if they does well, they can qualify for sure.
And if they qualify, are you seeing yourself in Chennai, supporting in the finals?
I'm not sure.
Okay, so in Hindi, what do you say to your team? Like a statement, go Delhi, what do you say in Hindi?
I'd say Capitals, come on, you have to जीत जाओ IPL इस बार. दिल्ली जीतेगा इस बार कप.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
So I'm with two people here. I'm not sure which teams you guys are supporting.
I support CSK.
Royal Challengers Bangalore.
And you find yourself in Delhi, and today we have Gujarat Titans and Delhi Capitals. Which of the two are you going to choose?
I'm going to pick, I guess, Delhi because it's my home city and I want to see Rishabh Pant winning an IPL.
If not RCB.
Okay, I'll support RCB. If I say Delhi Capitals, of course, and especially Rishabh Pant, the way he has come back from that injury and that accident, I would like to see them do better. Like they're way too low in the top points table, so I want them to be better.
Okay, so in terms of wicket keepers, you mentioned how Rishabh Pant has come back after that injury. So we have about 5 wicket keepers. We have Rishabh Pant, Sanju Samson, Ishan Kishan. So from the known India kept wicket keepers, which one are you choosing?
I'll always choose Rishabh Pant.
And yourself?
Rishabh, absolute. He's a legend of the game and at the age of 24, what he has already in the game, I think he can win India a lot of games in the future.
And in terms of starting or openers, we've seen Jaiswal hasn't been in good form. Do you think the century that he scored is good enough to make it to the World Cup?
Kind of. Like I'll say that in past, whatever he has performed, that is considered. And if we talk about Jaiswal's performance, a few more performances like that would work. Say maybe 30 plus or 50 plus scores would work for him, but just not the century.
I think Jaiswal maybe need to wait for another World Cup. I think Virat and Rohit should open for India.
And who would you put at 3?
I would put Surya Kumar Yadav and then I will have Shivam Dube at 4 and Rinku and Hardik at 5-6.
And then you stick with what she said in terms of wicket keepers. She chose Rishabh Pant.
Yeah, I'll have
Between
to.
Sanju and Rishabh.
Yeah,
Rishabh
absolutely.
is better.
Rishabh is better.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. So I'm standing with the Delhi Capitals fan, and they are here about 5 hours early to make it to the stadium. So I just need to get his sentiments to find out why is he here early and how he thinks his team is going to perform. So good sir, how do you think your team is going to perform today? You winning?
Yeah, sure, definitely.
And who are you supporting? I saw you wearing a jersey. Who are you
Definitely, I'm from
supporting
Delhi.
today?
I will support to Delhi.
So Delhi has a statement in Hindi. What do you say when you're supporting your team in Hindi?
Delhi, अभी तक तो
You have to say it with so much power.
दिल्ली अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रही है, बट अनलकली हार रही है मैच.
Yes, sir.
आई विश कि दिल्ली अच्छा रन करे और go for.
Thank you very much. So, besides Delhi today, who are you looking forward to see? One of the players?
Rishabh Pant, as usual, as well as Prithvi Shaw, my favorite.
Alright. Thank you very much. Good.
Yes.
You can hear? Perfect. So I'm with a tiny Gujarat fan here. So who are you supporting today?
Gujarat.
And who's your favorite Gujarat player?
Shubman Gill.
You have to shout it out loud so that he can know.
Yes.
And who's your other favorite team player today?
Other favorite player is Noor.
So when you grow up, do you see yourself playing cricket?
Yes.
And are you going to be playing in Delhi or in Gujarat?
Gujarat.
Gujarat? Why Gujarat? You're in Delhi.
But I like Gujarat.
Uh-huh.
But I like also their culture, Gujarat culture, and I also like Delhi. But I feels that Gujarat is nice, better than Delhi. That's why.
So Gujarat is your home.
Yes.
So go Gujarat today. Tell the camera.
Yes, I am fan of Gujarat.
So go Gujarat. Thank you. Today with me is India's biggest fan, I assume, because he's wearing it in an Indian jersey. But which team are you supporting today?
I'm supporting Delhi Capitals
Why Delhi Capitals?
because Pant is in Delhi Capitals and he's one of my favorite players.
And what do you think Pant is going to score today?
He should score 50.
50, not 100.
It's a 20 and like Pant's performance is going on, I think he will score 50 only.
He will score 50. So 50 for Pant today. But if I have to put Pant and Virat Kohli, who do you choose?
Virat Kohli.
Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli?
Virat Kohli.
Why Virat Kohli?
Because he is my favorite cricketer and I have wore his t-shirt also.
Are you? Show your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you. All the best.